Hi, I'm Chris, the Assistant Service Manager at Apple Chevrolet here in York, Pennsylvania. Follow me and we'll take a tour of our service department here. Once you pull into our service bay, you'll go right to the right-hand side and check in with one of our service advisors. Once you enter our office, any of our service advisors would be more than happy to help you out. Here at Apple Chevrolet, we do everything from an oil change to a full engine rebuild. So why service here at Apple Chevrolet? Well, first of all of our technicians are factory trained and certified, and our prices can compete with anybody in the local area. While you wait, feel free to hang out in our lounge while we finish your service. We also offer a valet service and shuttle service. If you're not able to wait, we can definitely give you a ride home, and if you need your vehicle picked up, we can definitely do that for you too. So come on down to Apple Chevrolet. It'll be our pleasure to serve you.
Hola, bienvenido a Apple Chevrolet. Vente para aquí a ver nosotros para arreglar todo tu problema con su carro, de cualquier modelo y que cualquier problema tú tienes. Nosotros podemos ayudarte y puedes hablar conmigo directamente si quieres, o cualquier persona que está aquí para ayudarte. Muchas gracias y bienvenido.